guys, it's your girl Zoisha, and I'm back today with a new video, girl. So, as everybody knows, it's a new year, right? So, what a better way to what a better way than to ring in the new year with a new tag video? I haven't done a tag video. I think the last tag video I did was the best friend tag. So I seen everybody doing the about a year ago tag. So I figured it's a new year, about a year ago. It's been about a year now since I started my YouTube channel. So what a perfect way to, or what a perfect time to do this video. So let's get into it. So the first question for the about a year ago tag is biggest accomplishment of 2015. I think that my biggest accomplishment of 2015 was moving because it was something that we were talking about for so long. As you guys seen through the vlogs, I struggled finding an apartment. So it was a big stress reliever. Believe me, you can ask anybody who was around me. Like, I was stressed the hell out. Like, stressed out. So finding that apartment, moving in, settling in, having like my own Christmas dinner, that was a huge accomplishment for me for 2015. Second question is best memory of 2015. Best memory. There's a few. There's a lot of things that happened. The fact that my almost my entire family was in Jamaica at some point this year together. That was a really cool memory because there was a lot of things that happened that wouldn't necessarily happen because we weren't always because my entire family isn't always together. So that was really cool. Another thing, I got two new godchildren. One is a blood member of the family, Anaya, and the other is Zanaya. She was born my best friend's daughter. So that was also a great memory for 2015. What else? Best memory for 2015. Drawing a blank here, but I think that would be about it. Three, the biggest obstacle of 2015. Biggest obstacle. I guess the biggest obstacle of 2015 was watching my family lose someone who we really, 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 really loved, and just seeing how that kind of broke certain family members' relationships and seeing like the true colors of people come out. So, like with the death of my grandma, there was a lot of things that were going on behind the scenes, like, you know, I don't know if you guys have ever experienced like a death in the family and it kind of like tore your family apart because that person that passed away was kind of like the glue to your family. So that's kind of the same situation that it was with my grandma. So after her passing, there was just a lot of things that we had to endure, but that's all good, that's all good. And so, yeah, I think that would have to have been the biggest obstacle of 2015. I'm still personally trying to get over it. Like, I can't believe she's gone. But yeah, it's something that you just have to work on every day, right? Number four, top five favorite beauty products of 2014. I'm not like 100% into beauty, but my number one thing would have to be my Spin for Perfect skin brush. That is bomb. Another thing would be my LA Pro Girl concealer. Lipstick of any sort. It will always be amazing. My eyebrow kit. I can't really recall right now where that's from, but that is amazing to me because now my eyebrows are life. Like, I can't go anywhere without my eyebrows on. And what was that? Three? Wait. Lipsticks, eyebrows, Spin for Perfect skin, LA concealer. What else would be top five favorite beauty products of 2015? Yeah, I just got four. Sorry. Maybe this year I'll get more into makeup, so I will, yeah, have five next year. Um, Five bloopers from 2014. Unfortunately, I don't have access to any of that information right now because my computer is down and has been down since 2015. Six, favorite mainstream YouTubers and non-mainstream YouTubers. Okay, so my favorite mainstream YouTubers, number one is crazy light skinned girl Rochelle Clark. Like, I love her so much. Um, I also have to shout out Latoya Forever, big up Toronto, Canada, hey. So Rochelle Clark, Latoya Forever, Jayla Corian, Aaliyah J, and who else? Chavas TV! Chavas TV, his wife Diani. I also like Lyric Rochester, Jamaican makeup artist. Who else do I like? Wait, hold on. Let me look who I'm subscribed to. Okay? Shoot. Oh. Oh my gosh. Ayana. Okay, sorry, let me start again. Ayana, crazy light skinned girl. Okay, wait, let me just start this whole question over again. Let me just delete that. Okay, so number six. Favorite mainstream YouTubers and non-mainstream YouTubers. So favorite mainstream YouTubers would be first and foremost Crazy Light Skin Girl. Next would have to be Jayla Corian. Then would have to be Miss Aaliyah J. Then Latoya Forever, Ciana, Chabas TV, Lyric Rochester, also known as Jamaican makeup artist, Chabas's wife, Diani. And then favorite non-mainstream YouTubers, myself, because I think I'm bomb. And yeah, myself. Yeah, so I think that's it for the YouTubers that like I actually watch right now. If there's any more, I will leave them down below, or if I can recall, then I'll come back later on in the video and let you guys know. But yeah, that's the ones for now. Number seven, regrets of 2015. Regrets. I don't really think I have any regrets of 2015. I think 2015 for me was a very productive year. Yeah, I think I did everything that I needed to do. Well, my only regret actually for 2015 would have been not actually saving as much money as I thought I would have wanted to save. Um, yeah, I definitely need to pick up on that for 2016, especially seeing as how I needed so much money in like a short period of time. Like anytime something happened, I needed that and I didn't have necessarily enough funds to always fall back on. So for 2016, my goal is to definitely work on my saving strategies and have some money set away for myself. Like I'm 25, almost 26 in 17 days. And that's something that I definitely need to have. I'm almost 30. I need to have something, girl. I need to have something saved up. So that'll be my biggest regret for 2015. And also just not necessarily making myself available for everyone. I would find that like I would always be like closer to somebody at this point, and I'll be spending so much time with them, forgetting about other people. And yeah, and also with like the little ones in my family, like they, especially the ones that really, really love me, I don't really think I made myself available enough for them. So I'm gonna be working on time management skills for people in my life for 2016. Yes. Eight most memorable phrases from the year 2015. Ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time for that. Girl, bye. What else? You understand? You understand? You understand? You understand? You hear what me I say? Are you hearing me? You hear what me I say? Oh, don't it, don't. I beg. This freaking wall. Oh my god. But yeah, I beg. You hear me I say? Ain't nobody got time for that was my word. Like, that was my phrase. Nobody could take that away from me. I don't care what nobody says, but that would definitely be my most memorable phrase. Number nine, most embarrassing moments of 2015. Most embarrassing moment of 2015. I don't know. Like, what happened to me that was embarrassing? I'm really a hard person to be embarrassed because like I do goofy shit all the time. So it's not really anything for me. Like if I fall or if I trip or if I rip my pants or if I pee myself or like things that would be embarrassing to like a normal person aren't embarrassing to me. So, an embarrassing moment. Oh, actually, it's not really embarrassing, but in a sense it is. I guess would be losing my job. Um yeah, because like you lose your job and then you put it out there that you lose your job and everybody's just like, "Oh, how you lose your job? Like why would you lose your job?" Da, 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 not necessarily really knowing what was going on. And then I guess also in regards to that, me losing my job with the whole ordeal of me getting sick, I guess having Marlon see me in that state where like I couldn't move like on my own and he had to like help push me like up the stairs to get out of the house. That's embarrassing. Like crying because you're so like helpless. Like I was in pain. I couldn't barely walk. But like it's embarrassing because like I don't want you to see me like that. You know what I'm saying? So like I guess those would be my most embarrassing moments. Losing my job and getting sick to the point where I needed somebody to assist me in walking. That's embarrassing. Um Lessons learned from 2015. Don't hold any grudges. Um Learn how to listen before speaking, understanding that it's not so much what you say but how you say things, and just talking about my feelings, especially when it comes to my friends, like not harboring in any of my feelings, because when I do that I just get angry and then I treat them ways like, or like I just distance myself. And I also with that, like not distancing myself from people, but instead solving any problems and just talking through my issues and just moving forward so that there's no lost time and stuff like that, right? So yeah, those are my lessons. And yeah, 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 those are my lessons for 2015. And my goals for 2016: save, get some new equipment for YouTube. I want a ring light. I want a new laptop. I need a new camera, stuff like that, just to help with the growth of my channel. And to stick with my scheduling, even though I don't think I have done pretty that bad in regards to this being like my first year on YouTube. I think I've done actually a pretty darn good job. But just incorporating all the ideas that I want to do, like the DIY, the advice column that I have coming out, which should be coming out very soon because people have been writing into me their problems and stuff. If you haven't already and you got some issues, please submit them to me. I will leave my email in the description box below. Hello. And talking to my parents more. Like, I talk to them a lot, but like I need to go like and see my mom more, spend a little bit more time with her. I talk to her on the phone a lot. My dad, I try to talk to him as often as possible. I used to talk to him a lot more before, but as you get older, you know, and that shouldn't be an excuse because they're my parents. So definitely making more time for my parents. Working on myself. That was my goal for 2015. It's also still my goal for 2016. And again, that just goes back to the previous question in regards to just like my whole demeanor, my attitude, just not letting little things bother me and not flipping out when things bother me, you know? So just working on my anger, because I do have an anger problem. I can admit that. Your girl can go from 0 to a million real quick. Okay? And working on my weight. I'm overweight. Like, I don't care what anybody wants to say. I may look okay to y'all, but not to me. I don't feel attractive anymore in my own skin. And yeah, if I'm gonna be inspiring people or helping people feel better about themselves, I can't do that without feeling good about myself within. Not that I don't feel good about myself, because I mean, I still think I'm hot, I still think I'm cute, I still think I'm sexy, but I could be sexier, I could be cuter, and I could be hotter, right? So there's no where in any book does it say that you cannot work on yourself as much as you want to work on yourself. So that's my goal for 2016. Is there anything else? I think that's all for my goals. And what I'm looking forward to in the new year is more babies, because I know a few people who are expecting right now. And I can't wait for that. My business all wrapped up. I just want more customers. I want more clients. I want to be booking way more jobs. And what else for 2016? My YouTube channel, I wanted to progress. I'm at 123 subscribers right now. By the end of this year, I would like to reach 500. I don't think that's a lot, I guess. I got 100 in a year. Well, almost 100. Well, almost a year I received 120 something. So that's pretty good. Actually, let me set a more realistic goal. Not 500. Let's just say 300 subscribers by the end of this year. And if I surpass that, that would be amazing. But if not, that would be my goal. And yeah, saving, working on my YouTube channel. I want to travel. I want to go to somewhere new that I have not been to before. So I need to overcome my fear of flying. And yeah, just working on being a better me. I need to be a better daughter, a better girlfriend. I need to be a better friend. There's always room for improvement. So that would be honestly just about it. So that is all for the about a year ago tag. And yeah, I guess I will see you guys with another tag like this in 2017, if life spare and if God carry me there. Yeah. So thank you guys so much again for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and help your girl reach her goal, 300 subscribers. I love you guys so much. Thanks so much again for your support and for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.